Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Education. Now we are going to learn and write speech on Independence Day. Let's start. 1. Good morning everyone. 2. My name is Ram. 3. Today is 15th August. 4. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. 5. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. 6. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. 7. We got freedom on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. 8. On this day, we remember our brave freedom fighters. 9. Independence Day teaches us the power of unity. 10. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.